Sweetheart, why don't you back up a little bit? There you go.
Hi, little Lexi. Get your eye out there.
Why don't you sing our song?
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy some me peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get backwards. 1, 2, 3 strikes. Yeah, at the old boy game.
She liked it.
Oh,
See if you can get her to talk to you like she does.
hi.
There you go.
Hi. 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 Why am I taking a picture?
I'm filming,
Uh,
videotaping.
hi. Hi. Tickle, 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 tickle. I wasn't eating a finger.
Make those funny noises that she makes. She's thinking about it.
She was smiling at me.
She sure was. Okay, now try not saying anything. Let's see if she'll talk to you. Can you tell us a story?
Oh, Big Bear. She liked it.
She does. She loves when you talk to her.
I will just stand right here.
But now you're not in it. Why don't you come on the other side of her? There you go. Lie down next to her. Aww. Lexi girl, can you tell us a story? Tell us a story. Not gonna talk right now?
Hey.
Bubba.
Baba.
Don't cough on her, sweetie. Cover your mouth. Good boy.
Hi, Baba. Honey. Hey, baby. Hey. I hold my hand here. Hold it. Just hold my finger.
She is.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi, big girl. Hi, big girl.
I'll just take a picture.
You want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye, camera.